Hi there, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're talking about custom objects in HubSpot and how you can start leveraging custom objects for your business. Today's object that we're digging into is what we want to call the membership object. Now, the membership object is unique because it allows for companies to keep track of ongoing membership. In a lot of cases, this is recurring business, or maybe it's over a certain time period that someone has paid for a deal. Now, over the history, you would have an active deal that would be in some kind of active status that would take you through the progression of showing this active person. But the problem is with multiple objects, you now have multiple opportunities there. You might have a company membership object, or you might have contacts that have multiple membership types. This can get really complex if you're using deals, and the internal change management of your organization can be really tough. So HubSpot releasing custom objects makes it so you can double down on the things that really matter. And that, for subscription-based business, is membership. Now, with membership objects, you can create and automate your membership object to show your statuses that are necessary for you to engage. It could be that someone's been back to your website, or they've used your app in a certain amount of time. And of course, you would want to keep track of the paid status. As you go through and use this object, you have immense amount of reporting capabilities. It could be the monthly cost, it could be the amount of people engaged. You can associate this object with companies, contacts, deals, the like. And so by doing this, you're able to now see a multi-dimensional view of your business. You're able to see what your retention rates are based on active memberships, and you're also able to see any cross-sell or upsell opportunities. This can be an incredible way for you to transform the more one-dimensional view of how you're using HubSpot into one that fits your subscription-based business. This is perfect for people that have courses or any type of membership. If you want an example of a membership site, you could jump over to sprockettalk.com as an example. And this is one that's leveraging this custom object for membership. Now, membership, you're going to want status, you're going to want dates, you're going to want times for start dates and end dates, and you're just going to want to be able to measure the overall experience that someone's having. And what's cool about it is that's all possible with this custom object, the membership custom object. Now, if you need help with setting up this custom object or any other, we'd be more than happy to have a conversation over Impulse Creative. Just hit us up, impulsecreative.com.